Most businesses lose at the CCMA in South Africa. And here's the shocking part. It's almost always avoidable. Employers walk out defeated, employees walk out frustrated, and both sides end up losing time, money, and trust. But let me break down exactly why companies lose and how Labor and SA can make sure you don't end up on the losing side. 1. Poor procedures. Dismissal without proper hearings. No chance for the employee to defend themselves. One mistake in the process and the employer loses, even if the worker was guilty. At Labor and SA, we make sure every step is by the book, so justice is clear and defendable. 2. No evidence. Employers walk in with stories. Employees walk in with signed warnings, contracts, or witnesses. And guess who wins? At Labor and SA, we prepare airtight bundles. Whether you are an employee fighting an unfair dismissal or an employer or business trying to prove your case. 3. Misunderstanding the law. Too many employers think they can dismiss someone on the spot. Wrong. Labor law requires for both substantive fairness and procedural fairness. Miss one and you lose. At Labor and SA, we guide you step by step so you don't fall into that trap. 4. Walking in unprepared. Employees often walk in with representation and a strategy. Employers sometimes walk in with no evidence, no documents. The result, a disaster. At Labor and SA, preparation is our superpower, whether it's cross-examination, evidence bundles, or coaching you for the hearing. 5. Underestimating the CCMA. Most businesses treat it casually, like a chat, but the CCMA is a legal battlefield. If you don't know the rules, you lose. At Labor and SA, we know the battlefield and we fight to win for both sides of the table. So here's the truth. Businesses don't lose at the CCMA because they are always wrong. They lose because they didn't prepare, didn't understand, and didn't get help. And employees, they often lose out too because they walk in alone against experienced managers and legal representation. That's where Labor and SA steps in. We protect employees, we guide businesses, and we make sure fairness is done right with the law on your side. Whether you are an employee who feels unfairly treated or a business that can't afford to lose another case, Labor and SA is your partner at the CCMA. Contact us today. Don't wait until it's too late, because at the CCMA, one wrong step can cost you everything.